He's saying that he picked up his son, the car was okay, he wasn't a part of burning in the fire, wasn't a part of the co-defendants, it wasn't a plan of his, he had nothing to do with it. He's just there, he picks up his son, when he picks up his son, the car is not on fire and he leaves.
This case centers on a man accused of a shocking act of arson. He had struck a plea deal with the state that could have spared him from prison, just probation and a second chance. But everything took a dramatic turn when the judge read the police report and discovered that the defendant had blamed the entire crime on his own son. Instead of quietly approving the deal, the judge halted the proceedings. She wanted answers, and she was prepared to question the defendant directly about his claim. What was supposed to be a routine hearing suddenly became a tense confrontation. As the truth behind the plea began to unravel, let's see how this unexpected twist changes the course of the case.
Henry Rodriguez. Court is calling 2025 CR 007287A, State versus Henry Rodriguez. Can I have parties announce?
Austin, South and State. For the Park Mayor, Mr. Rodriguez, Your Honor, present on bond, ready?
And are you Henry Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled, I'm sorry, counsel, have you reviewed all discovery with your client? Did you understand it? I'm sorry, did you review all the discovery with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you received all discovery?
We have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
At first, it seems like a routine plea deal, one designed to keep him out of prison. But pay close attention, because the judge is about to bring up a condition tied to his job, something you almost never hear mentioned in court.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We're proceeding on the last paragraph, Your Honor, and waiving the remaining paragraphs.
Any objection to the waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
And any objection to the waiver of the reading of the indictment?
None, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're gonna have to answer yes or no.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're charged with the offense of arson as a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes. I believe he does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he is being was, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Most definitely. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into this plea, you will be deported, not allowed re-entry, and denied naturalization. Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $2,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. It states you will not accept or maintain employment in the insurance industry or any other position which involves in whole or in part the handling of insurance sales, appraisals, claims, or other transactions, and you will surrender your insurance license with the Texas Department of Insurance prior to entering any plea in this case. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor. He has surrendered, Your Honor, for purpose of the record, license pursuant to the agreement.
Giving up his entire career is no small sacrifice. It shows just how badly he wants this deal. But that's exactly what makes the judge's next move so unexpected. She's about to ask a simple question, one that seems unrelated to the plea, yet it has the power to change everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And the court has in the paperwork of voluntary surrender of insurance licensing.
Your Honor.
And is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
Filed, Your Honor, but not.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 10 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, the fire safety anti-arson class, and MRT. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
To the offenses charged in the last paragraph, how do you plea? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
State offer states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
We reviewed it, Your Honor, extensively.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I've reviewed it extensively with my client. My client is gainfully employed, Your Honor. He and his wife own a very successful roofing business. He consulted long and hard about the situation and facts. Asked the court to follow the plea agreement, Your Honor. Only request perhaps, Your Honor, that you mitigate half perhaps of his community service as he works about 50 hours a week, Judge. And we'd be happy to pay that to charity.
Okay. So, Mr. Rodriguez, why are you burning cars?
You can tell that question caught him completely off guard. The defendant freezes, he doesn't know what to say. But the judge does. She has his police report right in front of her. And she's about to read the very part he was hoping everyone had forgotten.